Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel Campus Plaza. So how are you guys? I hope you all are doing well. And you have viewed my previous video. In that video I told you everything about the placement preparation. So without wasting time, let's start. So in this video I want to tell you the coding test. What are the importance of coding test and why to take the company coding tests. So first of all, we start from the coding test. So coding test is a technical assessment which is conducted by the company to check the candidate's problem solving, coding proficiency and understanding of data structure and algorithm. As I told you, the coding test consists the DSA questions and the competitive questions. As I told in the previous video, whoever not viewed my previous, that go and watch my that video. So coding test is a technical assessment which is conducted by the company to check the candidate's problem solving skill, coding proficiency, how much coding proficiency he is or she is, and the understanding of algorithm and data structures. So what are the importance of coding test? Why should they take the coding test? Why should they take the technical assessment? So first of all, it improves the problem solving skill. It improves the thinking. It improves the proficiency of solve the any solve critical questions and critical problems. It increases the ability to think, ask according to the question, according to the condition, according to the situation. If you have the critical condition, so how should you take any action? So this improves the coding test. It improves the mathematics calculation. It improves the statistical analysis. It improves the logical analysis. So it is the very important. That is why the company conducted the online test or competitive coding test. So types of coding tests. First of all, online test, which is taking in which which has many platforms like Lead Code, Hacker Rank, Geeks for Geeks, Code Chef. These are the platform by which company organized or conducted the online test. In this, there are many questions for preparation, for competition, for practicing. Second one is the aptitude and logical reasoning. As I told you, these are the quantitative and qualitative analysis of. Also, it is the test assessment. So it is also comes in the coding test. And third one is the data structure and algorithm test. As I told you before, the data structure test and comparative coding test are comes in the coding assessment. So data structure algorithm is the good practice to check candidates problem solving skills. That is why many of people, many of teachers, many of professors told that data structure is very important. Data structure and algorithm is very important. It is important because it is very useful while system designing, by web designing, by app designing, by anything. And last one is the software development life cycle assessment. As you know that the software development life cycle is very important concept of computer science and engineering. So that is why these are the coding tests by conducting by the companies. And last one is why should company take the coding test. So it it is the best way to that we say that to select the candidate more efficient. Second one is it is the process of hiring. It is the part of hiring process of hiring. And last one is the best and good candidate selection. It reject by the coding test. We reject the many of people. They don't know how to solve the problem. So it is the very crucial round as vision of the student, as vision of the candidate who are preparation for companies who target the MNCs, Mang Fang companies. Manufacturing level companies, who target the manufacturing level companies, the coding test is very important. As I told you before, and I tell you today, and I will tell you tomorrow, the coding test is very important in the vision of manufacturing level companies. So in the last, I should suggest you, please target on data structures and algorithm. Please target the competitive coding. There are many platforms by which you can practice and improve their problem skills. And in the last, in next video, I tell you what are the platform, how to practice, and what are the main tips to improve your problem solving skill while preparation of company. So as I covered in the previous video, communication skills, speaking skill, data, group discussion, and today's video, the coding competition test. So these are the many basic and fundamental things for campus. So please join us, subscribe us, and please watch my video. Thank you so much.